How China builds ultra-fast electric trains, full manufacturing process every day. Millions of passengers travel across China aboard some of the fastest trains on Earth. These sleek electric trains can travel at speeds exceeding 350 kilometers per hour, connecting major cities in just a fraction of the time once required. But have you ever wondered how these incredible machines are built? From raw steel to high-speed transportation, this is the fascinating manufacturing process behind China's ultra-fast electric trains. The journey begins at a massive train manufacturing facility. Here, engineers and technicians transform thousands of individual components into one of the most advanced transportation systems in the world. The first step is building the train's body. Large aluminum alloy panels are selected instead of traditional steel. Aluminum is lighter, more corrosion resistant, and helps improve energy efficiency at high speeds. Using advanced robotic welding systems, these panels are joined together with remarkable precision. Every weld must meet strict quality standards because even small imperfections could affect safety and performance. Once the train body is assembled, engineers inspect the structure using sophisticated scanning equipment. Laser measurement systems check every section to ensure exact dimensions. Any deviation, no matter how small, is corrected before production continues. Next comes the installation of the train's internal framework. Technicians add floors, insulation materials, electrical conduits, and support structures. At the same time, workers begin preparing the train's aerodynamic nose section. This streamlined design is critical for reducing air resistance at high speeds. Engineers spend years optimizing these shapes through computer simulations and wind tunnel testing. A small improvement in aerodynamics can save significant energy over the train's lifetime. The heart of the train is its propulsion system. Powerful electric traction motors are installed beneath each carriage. These motors convert electrical energy into motion with extraordinary efficiency. Advanced power electronics control acceleration, braking, and speed management. Unlike traditional diesel locomotives, electric trains produce lower emissions and deliver smoother performance. The bogies, or wheel assemblies, are then attached. These components support the train's weight while maintaining stability at extremely high speeds. Each bogie contains suspension systems, braking equipment, sensors, and wheel sets engineered to operate safely under demanding conditions. Even minor vibrations must be carefully controlled. Inside the train, workers install seats, lighting systems, climate control equipment, passenger information displays, and safety features. Modern high-speed trains are designed not only for speed but also for comfort. Passengers expect a smooth, quiet journey, even while traveling faster than many aircraft during takeoff. One of the most important stages is electrical integration. Hundreds of kilometers of wiring are carefully routed throughout the train. These systems connect everything from propulsion controls and communication networks to safety monitoring equipment. Sophisticated onboard computers constantly monitor performance and automatically detect potential problems. Before leaving the factory, every train undergoes extensive testing. Engineers inspect mechanical systems, electrical equipment, braking performance, and structural integrity. Special test facilities simulate real-world operating conditions. Doors are opened and closed thousands of times. Emergency systems are activated repeatedly. Components are tested under extreme temperatures and demanding conditions. Finally, the completed train moves to a dedicated test track. Here, engineers gradually increase speed while collecting data from hundreds of sensors. Acceleration, stability, noise levels, vibration, and braking performance are carefully analyzed. Only after passing every test is the train approved for passenger service. The result is a transportation system capable of moving millions of people safely, efficiently, and comfortably. China's high-speed rail network has become one of the largest and most advanced in the world, connecting cities across vast distances and transforming how people travel. Behind every journey lies a remarkable manufacturing process involving advanced engineering, precision production, and cutting-edge technology. From raw materials to record-breaking speeds, the creation of an ultra-fast electric train is a masterpiece of modern industry. And every time one leaves the station, it carries the results of thousands of hours of design, manufacturing, and testing. A perfect example of how engineering continues to reshape the future of transportation.